Sharp Boy Spray, back with another video. Right here with the brother. Shit, new truck on the channel. My dad just bought himself a 96 F-150. Bitch is clean, bro. And right now what we're doing is taking off the centers. The center cap, like a little sticker that goes on there. They're oxidized, faded. Got some new ones. And we'll clean up the wheels, we'll wash the truck in a little bit. And then we're also installing my brother's center console. My dad's other truck. See my boy taking off the center hub. Alright. How many screws are they weigh? Three. 3 screws to pop it out. Where's the other center? The center cap? Right here behind my truck. I got this right here too, though. So you do the. So this one was missing a screw. Come on, let's go to the truck. See, look, this bitch is clean. About the straightest one I've ever seen. The only thing that's not original is a fucking bumper. Well, we're gonna get the original one. That's like the only new thing. New truck on the. Put it down. Pop it up. Yeah, just push it in like this. I'll pop it out. No, push. Hold the camera. That's it. Clean it a little bit right here, and then install the new ones. I like some clear caulking. That's it right there. Make sure it's on there good. It'll come off. You ever peel this one, bro? Here, hold the camera. No, it's inside, dude. Yeah. Let me know. Gotta try to peel this bitch off real quick. This bitch is clean. Boom. Now we're gonna put them on. That's it. We're gonna do the other two sides and then we'll show you when we're done. About to change out the center console. Brother taking off the front book. We'll fucking take that pollen shit off, clean it up, throw that bitch in here. A ver, güey. Let me get the fucking back bolts. You need the other wrench? I got the back bolt one over here. Pinche María, cállate a la verga, pinche indio. Aquí con los boys.
Look at the shirt, don't
Mira,
do it.
con el army, boy. ¿Cómo están las nenas cool? Yeah. So we got one of those fucking screws. The bolts goes in here. Right there. My bad. My phone died, so I had to give Xavier's. The back ones are bolts. That special socket. The E14. And the front ones were regular size, but because the owner had already changed it before, so they lost the bolts in the front. They're size 16. And on the other side, where's that special socket? On target ratchet. For the bolts up front, on the original ones, is going to be this socket here. V620. That's what that looks like. Alright, so we're ready about to pull this out here. The camera. About to pull this thing out. That easy once you get the other seats out. Pinche cochinero. We're gonna take out the seat belts and the clip. Cause on the other one they're fucked up. Maybe just the seat belt. Start doing that. I think that's a 16 as well. Where's the socket? Oh, here. ¿Qué onda, chavos? Aquí valiendo dig. Se fue compa Maro y Neno. Gotta tighten up the back bolts. Yeah.
Got that seat in.
Yeah, got the other seat in.
The computer came through.
We're just gonna install Chinese turbo on the truck. Dale gas, güey. Dale más. So I forgot to take a video of what it looked like with everything in here. This is the day after, so that shit looks clean. Yeah. Paisa. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. Catch you on the next one.
Yeah. I never ask nothing from no nigga. I slide through the crib with some gold on my fist, nigga. We never tripped on you whole niggas. I leave some shots on your block. If you thought you was hot, you a cold nigga. If niggas want pain, I go Martin with Tommy.